Transformers have revolutionized AI, enabling models to generate human-like text, images, and code. Unlike RNNs, they process entire sequences in parallel, enhancing performance and efficiency. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Key components like self-attention, multi-head attention, and positional encoding empower transformers to understand context better. This architecture has powered models like GPT and BERT, transforming AI capabilities. AWS offers a robust suite of services to train, deploy, and scale transformer models. Amazon SageMaker simplifies this process with pre-trained models and distributed training capabilities. AWS Trinium and Inferentia provide cost-effective hardware accelerators, optimizing both training and inference. These tools make deploying large-scale transformer models more accessible and efficient. Transformers power NLP tasks like chatbots and sentiment analysis using AWS services. Image and video generation are enhanced with AWS Recognition and JNs, showcasing the versatility of transformers. AI-driven code generation and personalized recommendations are made possible with AWS tools. These applications demonstrate the transformative impact of AWS in real-world scenarios. AWS services reduce operational complexity and optimize performance for AI applications. Explore Amazon Bedrock for integrating generative AI into your projects, and experiment with SageMaker for fine-tuning models. Leverage AWS Inferentia for cost-effective inference. By utilizing these services, you can stay ahead in the generative AI revolution, building powerful AI applications with ease.